Wait, you won't believe how easy it is to make this trendy Bubu Kaftan gown. So in this video, I will show you step by step how I made this and how you can make yours too, even if you're a total beginner. So let's get started. So we are working with these 3 yards of crepe fabric and half yard of black crepe fabric. So let's first of all fold our crepe fabric of 3 yards into 2, just the way I'm folding. So after folding into 2, we are going to fold it again, which is total of into 4. So next we are going to take neck width of 4 inches. After marking 4 inches, we are going to take the back neck depth of 2 inches. We'll connect it to the neck width of 4 inches. And next we are going to put our tape on the starting point and mark 6.5 inches, which is the neck depth for the front. So connect it to the neck width. After connecting it, we are going to take the shoulder slant. So the total full back we are working with is 26 inches from the midpoint of the gown. So I marked 26 inches and drew a straight line. After marking that straight line, we are going to take our shoulder slant of 1 inch and then we are going to connect it to the neck width. So if you have a long straight ruler, make use of it. So after connecting to the neck width, we are going to take the sleeve width, okay, or the sleeve circumference of 12 inches. After marking that 12 inches, I'm going to go inwards from that point of 12. I'm going in by 5 inches and then I will connect it. Next, I'm going to go to the starting point and take my true waist measurement of 17. On that line of 17, I'm going to go inwards by 6.5. After marking 6.5, I'm going to connect it to the armhole area, to the sleeve circumference, okay? After connecting it, I'm going to make it in an A-line manner from the true waist down to the hem of the gown. See the way I place my tape, I'm going to connect it all the way down in a slant manner, in an A-line manner, okay? After connecting it, we are going to cut what we have all out. So if you've watched up to this point, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that you will not miss out on any of our beautiful tutorials. So after cutting this, we are going to separate the front from that of the back. So separate the front from that of the back so that we are going to replace the material with black, okay? So take the full back measurements. The full back actually is 7.5 on fold. So I marked 7.5 plus 1.5 inches seam allowance, which gave us 9.5. After that, place your tape from the starting point and mark the true waist length of 17 inches. So whatever your true waist length is, use it. So after marking 17 inches, the next thing I will do, on fold, I'm going to mark 9 inches, just exactly what I marked at the shoulder area. So after marking that 9 inches, I will use my straight ruler to connect it in that square manner, okay? So after connecting it, we are going to cut what we have out and then we are going to cut the shoulder for the black that we are going to use to replace. So I'm going to use my scissors to cut it out. I will add half an inch seam allowance at the upper part while cutting so that I will be able to use it to sew the black inwards, okay? So I'm going to cut it out. After cutting it out, I'm going to tell you what next we are going to do, okay? So we are done cutting. We are going to replace what we cut out with our black fabric. So fold your fabric, the black fabric, into two, place it on fold, and then we are going to replace the shoulder that we cut earlier. Remember we marked 9 inches, so we are marking 9 inches and then we'll add half an inch for seam allowance. Then we are going to take the true waist length of 17 and then we are going to add half an inch for seam allowance, which will give us total of 17.5, and then we are going to mark it straight. So after using our ruler to draw a straight line, next we are going to take our bust span measurement, also known as the nipple to nipple measurement of 4 inches. So if yours is 3.5, make use of 3.5. So from that 3.5, from the 4 inches, I'm going to connect it After connecting it, I'm going to add half an inch seam allowance at the down part and connect it to the upper part half an inch seam allowance. Okay, then after connecting it, we are going to take the neck width. So the neck width we worked with 4 inches. So after marking 4 inches, I'm going to take the neck depth of 5.5. So if you are working with 7 inches or 6 inches for the neck width, please make use of it. For this one, I use 5.5, and then I'm going to cut what I have marked out. After marking it out, I am going to cut another one exactly the way it is to serve as the interfacing. Okay, so after cutting, I'm going to replace what I have. I'll place it again and cut the second one that I'm going to use as the interfacing. Okay, so I folded the fabric again and placed the first one that I have cut to cut the second panel. Okay, so after cutting, I am going to tell you what next we are going to do. After cutting, this is what we have. We have one for the main fabric and one will serve as the lining. Okay, so place right side facing each other and then use your sewing machine to sew the neckline, notch it, top stitch it and iron it. Then after that, the sides for each of the panels, we are going to fold half inch all the way around and then we are going to iron it. So next, I'm going to remove all the pins I used on the fabric and then I'm going to open it out. So after opening it, we are going to draw gathers at the nipple to nipple area. You see that part I'm holding? We are going to draw gathers using our bust span measurement. I'll bring it and show you. So the black that we turned the lining and sewed the down part with half inch all round, we are going to flip it open. Okay, just the way I am doing. Open it entirely. So we are going to place the crepe fabric inside, okay, on top of it. Just place it on top of it, arrange it very well. Then we are going to use our pin to secure it half inch inwards. Remember we added half inch seam allowance, so we are going to place this inwards by half an inch and then use our pin to secure it all the way around, just the way you are seeing it. So you see that part that is carrying the gathers, make sure you arrange it very well. Let the gathers be even and then pin it very well. After pinning, bring the main fabric, that is the one we placed up. See the way I am doing it. Bring it down. This is to cover the edges that we have pinned, okay, to have a clean finish for both the front and the back. Okay, so after arranging it very well, use your sewing machine to sew it all around and then we are going to join the shoulder for the front and back. So after joining the down part, this is what we have. We had to use bias to pipe the neckline for the back and then join the two shoulder for the front and the back. And after that, the next thing we are going to do is to fold the sleeve half an inch and another half an inch, and then after sewing it, we'll do the same for the other part. It is time for us to couple the gown. So before coupling the gown, I had to fix inner belt in it. So how to fix inner belt is on the channel. Okay, so turn the back side of the material and then use half an inch to sew the two sides. After sewing, fold the downside and then we'll iron it. Our model will wear it for us to see. Final result on my client. This gown is so beautiful. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share and also subscribe to my channel. Click on the next video on your screen to keep learning more beautiful styles with Lois Addah.